Here she is all set up. I got my Sony a6000 mounted up here. Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we've got the Neewer multifunction desktop photography overhead shooting bracket. You know, if you're doing stuff like I'm doing here, and you've got a photography setup, a video setup, sometimes you're working with a tripod that's a little in the way, so I went ahead and got me this one. To try out a little overhead shot thing for my desk. And let's unbox it and see what's in it. I'm down here on the floor so we can get a better view because my tripod's a little short on this one. I got my other one hooked up, so we're gonna open it up down here and see what we got. And then we'll pull it back up to the top to get a closer look at the components. In, yeah, it's all packaged. It's the first I've seen it here. Fresh opening. Got the foam holding everything together. And this looks to be the main part of the bracket right here. So, got that out. Got that out. I'm banging it up. We got the two brackets and the single. That looks to be the crossbar right there. Oh yeah, right there, hooking on top. Should lay it out. We've got another little box in here. Probably some clamps and accessories. There's what she's supposed to look like. Got one clamp to hold your overhead camera. Looks like a super clamp setup and a little semi-ball head. Another ball head looking thing, and three other clips. All right, let's pull it up top and see what we got. And we're back. So I got her up on a little something we can see a little better. You got your manual. It's pretty straightforward. A couple of languages. That's good. It looks pretty simple. I mean, it's got the two upright arms, and I don't know if you can tell by this camera shot, but that is some solid, what, almost 1/4 inch steel on there, maybe 3/16. That's pretty nice. Powder coated, got a little rubber grip on the top. You've got the detent ball, so you can get it so far and then only redo it a half a turn if you need to without having to go all the way around. Gives you a little more adjustment flexibility. And rubber pad on the top of the clamp too. The threads, I mean, for what it is, you're not trying to get super clamp force, but you want it tight. It feels pretty solid, but there's a little play in there. And then you got an adjustable twist to close, just like on your tripods and what have you. Tighten it up, it cinches down, and let me see if I can go the right way with it. There you go, locks in place. And I think this piece looks like it's about 30 inches, 36. I don't know what the specs are. I'd have to look at it. Let's see if we can find out what side pieces are. So here's what comes in the kit anyway. You got your two desktop stands, the crossbar, one super clamp, a phone clamp, two little spigot adapters it looks like, and a user manual. So we're with the user manual, we got all the parts it looks like. Trying a quick measurement on there and see what the base height is. All right, 26. It looks to be 28 overall at the end of the, if you're going all the way to the top of that little piece right there. So just under 30 inches on this, so it probably adjust out to, you could probably get another half of that without, yeah. When you unroll it, it locks out so far, so you're not going to go all the way to the end. So that's pretty nice. Lock it back down. So two of those, and then the adjustment side cross beam there. Kind of hard to get everything in the frame on this one, but and it's the same way. I think it goes out. You can get well, oh there it goes. I didn't have it all the way out. So your total distance on this one is, if you'll have to trust me on it, get it all the way out. total distance on this, center to center, is you're looking right at 48 inches. So that's your maximum adjustment out, is 48 inches. I'll get you. And let's see, let's take a look at the quality. Neewer is a big name in photography stuff, and I've used a couple things before, and they are usually pretty good quality stuff. So there's your super clamp. It's got a lot better threads on that one. And then you got your little, it's a two-way ball head. So instead of everything being adjusted up there, you got two there and two here. So gives you a little more flexibility. That's nice. You got another normal ball head right there. Let's open that up and see what's in it. And you got your smaller, so you could ball head onto ball head on that one, I think, and adjustment possibilities are endless now. Look at that, like a snake. Your two little adapter pieces, and your phone mount. If you want to hang your phone on there, you can use this to do your mirrorless cameras, your DSLRs, your whatever you use. So there you go. That's it. We'll get this, I'll see if I can get it set up on my desk, and we'll get an after shot. I don't know if I can probably do it all while filming at the same time. So, and here she is all set up. I got my Sony a6000 mounted up here for my overhead shots, and got my webcam. This is my content making area for reviews on tools and laser parts and stuff like that. So yeah, I got the overhead set up. It's roomy. I had to kind of rig it a little bit. I'm going to get a new desk. This is an old school scientific table that goes in the old labs, and it does the job, but it needs to be a little wider and a little wider this way, so I can get more stuff on there. But it's long, plenty long. Got my laser on there, 50 watt JPT source fiber laser with all tools I've been reviewing. And yeah, so we'll try it out, and it sets up easy. Set your distance, put your wide bar on top. These little light holders, I guess you can, one of them comes with a ball head there. You put your light on there. Obviously it's not going to work like this because it's going to throw shadows right over my stuff, but just get it set up and show you. Very sturdy feeling. Amazing. All right, there you go, folks. The Neewer overhead setup frame bracket, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.